and welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be making for you all some garlic herb potatoes. And here I already cut and peeled and cut up the potatoes into wedges. You can cut them as big or as small as you like. To this, I'm going to start by adding in some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm using Goya's Adobo all-purpose seasoning for this. And I wouldn't be adding any salt to this dish because the seasonings that I'm using contain a lot of salt. The other ingredient I'm going in with is some Cajun seasoning, and I'm using the Slap Your Mama brand. If you can't find this, you can use any Cajun seasoning you have. Some paprika, you can use smoked or plain or sweet. Black pepper. Red pepper flakes, and the red pepper flakes are optional. Rosemary. This is fresh rosemary. If you're using dried, you would want to use half of the amount. I have some bandania or some cilantro chopped up. This is just to put that little trini kick in this. You don't have to put it if you don't have it. You can use just flat leaf Italian parsley. And next is flat leaf Italian parsley. Feel free to use whatever herb you want. Here I have 1 head of garlic finely minced. Next, I'm going to go in with some unsalted melted butter. And I'm using unsalted because the seasonings we put in there contain a lot of salt. Next, give this a mix. Next, this goes into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's cooked. It's very nice and brown and has a nice crunchy exterior, but inside that potato is going to be pillowy soft. The potatoes just came out of the oven. All I'm going to do is toss it in that garlic butter sauce to coat, and then these are ready to be served. So here you have it, my recipe for garlic herb potatoes. If you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!